Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with my mannequin from Limache, and I would like to show you how I created this cute and super easy updo. We just have to do 3 ponytails and 3 braids. So we're starting with the top with the crown hair. My mannequin has super fluffy hair because I had braids on it for some weeks, and then it has a lot of volume, so I took a clear elastic to tie the hair together and secure it into a little ponytail. Then I split it into 3 equal strands and I do a regular Dutch braid. Just bring the outer strand under the middle strand, and then I'm pancaking the braid to give it a bit more volume. So massage the braid or just pull gently the outer edges. This is our first braid. Do a second ponytail right under the first one. Comb the sides, bring the head together. Don't make the braid or the ponytail too tight and the braid neither, because we are going to pancake it again. So outer strand goes under the middle, left under the middle, right under the middle until you reach the end. Pull the outer edges. Here you can see it better. Does not have to be very regular. We want this updo to look a bit loose and a bit messy. It's perfect for summer and you can easily do it on yourself. Clip the second braid away. I'm just saving them on the top for the time being. And then I'm taking the rest of the hair together in the neck in the same line like the first 2 braids. Split again into 3 equal sections and bring the outer strand under the middle strand. This is why it's a Dutch braid, because we braid under, not over. Pull the outer edges. It is sometimes easier if you don't braid it all the way down. Just try for yourself what is easier and better for you. And now we have 1, 2, 3 braids, and you just wrap one around the others, hiding the ends. With some bobby pins, I am just holding the edges of the hair in its place. And when you reach the hair tie, make sure that it's hidden under the rest of the hair so that it won't show. You can do it in any pattern you like. I wanted this updo to be a bit, or this bun to be a bit thicker in the neck, so I brought the bigger part of the braid down. And if you want to hide an end, just use a topsy tail tool and pull it through, and you will see the ponytail, the hair tie hides perfectly under it. And then the last braid I bring around the outer edge to give the bun a nice frame. And here I just wrapped it and I'm hiding the end under parts of the braid. And then I just made fluffier the top by pulling a bit the edges. Brought a strand out in the front. You can do it like ever you wish, but I like it because it loosens it up. And this is our final result. This takes, when you do it on yourself, about 10 to 15 minutes. Looks super cute, is secure, and a perfect hairstyle for summer. Hope you like it and see you back soon. Bye bye.